Here's how GroundTruth actually works, the systems involved, and the path a single question takes from the screen to a cited answer. The system is 5 layers. A Next.js interface. A FastAPI core. 2 pipelines, one to ingest documents, one to answer questions. The data stores, Qdrant for vectors, and Postgres for everything relational. And underneath, a swappable model layer. Ingestion runs once per document. We parse it, including optical character recognition for scanned pages, split it into heading-aware chunks that remember their page and section, embed each chunk locally with a free model, and store the vectors in Qdrant, with a mirror in Postgres for keyword search. Answering is where it gets interesting. The question runs through hybrid retrieval, dense vectors and keyword search, merged, and then enters the pipeline, retrieve, gate, generate, validate. 2 of these steps are allowed to say no. First, the precision gate. Every retrieved passage carries a similarity score. Anything below the workspace threshold is dropped, and if nothing clears the bar, the system refuses immediately, before a single token reaches a model. The safest answer and the cheapest answer are the same answer. You saw this in the demo. Ask something the documents don't cover, and the gate declines, no model call, $0 spent. If the model does answer, every citation is checked. The cited chunk must exist in what we retrieved, and the quoted text must match the source by at least 90%. Claims that fail are stripped. If nothing survives, the whole answer becomes a refusal. The outcome, passed, repaired, or refused, is logged. That's why every citation in the answer opens the exact passage it came from, highlighted, with a match score. Generation goes through one thin adapter, so the model is a choice, Claude or OpenAI for quality, or a private local model for cost and privacy, swapped with a single setting, without touching the pipeline. Underneath, every workspace is its own Qdrant collection and its own slice of Postgres, so one client's documents can never surface in another's answer. And every query, its cost, and its outcome are written to an audit and usage ledger. 2 places to retrieve, 2 places to refuse. That's what makes I don't know a verifiable, auditable, first-class answer.